How to insert YouTube videos on Canva. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can insert YouTube videos on Canva. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up Canva in your device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're here, now you have to open up your design where you want to add the YouTube videos. So once you're here, navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side and from there, click on Apps. Click on the search bar at the top and here search for Embed. Click on Embed. Here again, click on Embed. Now all you have to do is you have to copy the link from the YouTube that you want to add in Canva and paste it right here that says paste web link right here. So open up YouTube and then you have to select the link for your preferred video. Copy the link. Now once you have copied the link, go back to Canva and then paste the link right here. Once done, click on Add to Design. And there you can see the YouTube video is now added on Canva. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.